The English Learning Adventure. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a young boy named Sam who had a big dream. He wanted to learn English, the language of opportunity and adventure. However, in his village there were no English teachers, and books in English were rare. One day Sam heard about a magical library in the nearby town. People said it held the key to learning any language. Excited, Sam decided to embark on a journey to discover this mysterious place. As he reached the town, Sam saw a friendly librarian who welcomed him warmly. "I heard you have a magical library that can help me learn English," Sam said with a hopeful smile. The librarian, named Mr. Johnson, nodded and led Sam to a section filled with colorful books. "Here is the English section, young friend. Each book is like a treasure, waiting to be discovered," Mr. Johnson explained. Sam's eyes sparkled with curiosity as he picked up a simple English storybook. The first page had easy words and beautiful pictures. He began reading aloud, and Mr. Johnson encouraged him, saying, "Learning English is like an exciting journey. Take one step at a time." Sam visited the library every day, exploring different books. He found stories about animals, adventures, and friendly people. Each book brought new words and phrases, and Sam's English started to improve. To make learning more enjoyable, Sam joined a language club at the library. There he met other learners who shared their own English learning stories. They practiced speaking, played games, and laughed together. Learning English became a fun and social experience. One day, the library announced an English storytelling competition. Sam felt both nervous and excited. With the help of his new friends, he prepared a wonderful story about a magical journey to an English-speaking land. On the day of the competition, the library was filled with people eager to hear the stories. Sam took a deep breath and began narrating his tale. The audience listened attentively, and when he finished, they clapped and cheered. To Sam's surprise, he won the competition. Mr. Johnson congratulated him, saying, "Your dedication and love for learning brought you success. Remember, learning English is a journey with endless possibilities." As time passed, Sam became fluent in English. He not only fulfilled his dreams but also inspired others in his village to embark on their language learning journeys. The magical library had transformed Sam's life, proving that with determination and the right resources, anyone could learn English and open doors to a world of opportunities. And so, the small village became a place where dreams took flight, all because of a young boy named Sam believed in the magic of learning English